Hey guys, here is my Gossimer head. I know online I kept saying that I needed to like take a video of the sound box, so I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so he's only got 3 tracks right now, and I'll probably actually just keep it at 3, because too many is too complicated. But there's just a little speaker inside. You can't really see it, but there's a speaker I installed inside his mouth. And then I have a little trigger switch. And I literally just like wrapped that in a plastic bag and hooked it up so that I could fit it inside my mouth, inside the costume. You can get really fancy with hooking stuff up like that. You can like do it so like when the jaw moves it makes noise and stuff, but I am a simple lady and I like simple things that aren't complicated like that, so. So alright, there we go.